In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening device's settings and scrolling down to click on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Then scroll down to click on simple mode and use the gray switcher next to simple mode to activate it. Then choose try now at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode was successfully enabled. To disable it, you need to access settings here and tap on exit simple view. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!